Hey guys, welcome back. I just got here to my 204 and I want to do some small things here. So let's open the hood and I will show you what I already did. So I gave it a little wash because it had some bird poop on it. As you can see here, let's just clean it up a little bit. Okay. It's not the best, but the cover is full of dust and I don't want to put it on the car. So I ordered a new fuse box, and this fuse box is new old stock. So it's like 50 years old fuse box, but it's actually new, as you can see. So everything is working pretty good right now, all the electrical components. So beside that, I connected new hoses to the washer fluid, and also I connected it to the nozzles. As you can see, I put some new nozzles, and right now what I'm going to do is connect the motor of the windshield wipers. I have the wipers at home, and after I see everything's working good, I can continue with this headlight that you can see. It's not sitting well because it's supposed to have a spring, not that spring, but spring like that. So I have a new spring over here. Look what I got from France, so that I will show you in a second. This is the spring, as you can see. It's just hold the headlight in place, and this is the backlight lamp, because I need a new headlight lamp because the old one is not have very good contacts. So I found this one for about 30 euros, which is about $35, and it's good, and it's also with the seal that it's very hard to find. So I'm going to change those few things and I'll show you later what's going on. Okay, so I took off the transparent part of the light. It just attached with two screws, and you can see that I have here a seal, but it's not a very good seal, and you can see the context here. Also, you can see that water penetrated to the backlight, and you can see that the contact's not looking so good. So I have here only two nuts I already undo, and I'm going to take this off, disconnect the wiring, and connect the new one. Okay, so I installed the new backlight, and now we can see that it's working. Let's see the signal. Okay, it's working good. Also the other side. That's great. Let's continue with the front. Okay, I don't have this plastic part. What it does, it's just, today we have this little toggle for aligning the headlight up and down depending on the load we have inside the car. So back in the day it was manual with this lever, and I have it at home and I just need to install it on the other side, but it's just as that simple. I just took this spring and I put it, and then the headlight is not going anywhere. Another way to align the headlight is with these two screws. One is pushing it right, one is pushing it left. You just need to play with that a little bit so the headlight would be aligned. Let's keep going. Okay, so I connected the three wires from the motor to the wiring harness that goes inside of the car under the dashboard, and here we have the switch that's supposed to turn on the wipers. So right now I'm going to check the wiring diagram and see where everything's supposed to be. Okay, I connected one probe to the ground and one probe to wire number 100, as you can see here, and now I'm turning the switch on, and we can see that we have positive after the switch is open in wire number 100. So this is the supply and wire for the switch, and then need to know what is the correct terminal for the wipers. So I came back another day to continue with the wipers and some other stuff. Apparently I misconnected the wiring on the light levers, so there was a constant current to the wipers. I fixed it, and now the light lever turns on the washer and wipers while pushing it towards the steering. And as you can see, I just put everything back together after a very long time of parts just sitting in boxes inside my house. Spill water on the windshield and give it a try. Well, the wipers needs a little alignment. Adding new washer fluid. And checking the washers. Good, and just the wipers? Great. Let's move on and assemble the AC and dash controls, starting with the choke cable. And moving on to the wiper switch.
אלה בשלישייה, 33 והשני, זה לא משנה, זה קל, והירוק מולו.
The blower working well, but it's a little bit noisy. I was trying to put back the refurbished door trim. But unfortunately, it didn't went well. I will talk about it on the next episode. So it was getting late and I took her back to sleep. Came back later that week and continued from where I stopped. And connected the new LED bulb. It's just for now, so it will be easier for me working inside the car with good lighting. I needed to compress the bulb housing a little bit. And put on the cover. I got those hubcaps waiting for me for a very long time, and I think now it's time. That's it for now. On the next episode, I think you would be amazed and enjoy just like I did when I filmed it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to follow the last steps of this project.